Alright, so there's a list been going around locks you're supposed to pick, or suggestions anyways, to progress your lock picking, and I was looking at it and realized I hadn't picked some of them on there, so I'll try. This is the Brinks 40mm laminated padlock. It's got the M1 keyway, which as we all know, it's pick resistant. So far the package is resisting me. So I got it out, and so it's an M1 keyway, so I think the 5/0 tensioner fits in those. Yep, real snug. And so we use a GoSo. Yes, that's one lock off the list there. It's the Brinks 40mm laminated padlock. And we'll talk to everybody later.